Good afternoon. In this video, I will be showing MSPs how to use Produce8 Insights to offer software license optimization or license reclamation to your clients. This is a super quick way to add value by helping them recover software spending, or even to identify applications which are underused that require additional training. The key issue is understanding actual application usage. Produce8 has a unique capability to be able to demonstrate how many users are interacting with any application on a daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. What is different about our approach? Well, instead of relying upon user session login information, which does not show usage intensity or network traffic which misses anything outside the network, we show time spent in the apps. Every interaction is tracked in Produce8. If your customer is paying for more licenses than are being used, you have an opportunity to right-size their account as part of your next engagement cycle. So you will notice on the left-hand side of the Produce8 home screen that we have the Account Metrics Summary tab. Here you will find a copy of the executive summary which will give us the first basic insights on app usage. As we can see, the visualizations depict the top 5 apps in average time spent per day and top 5 apps spent in interactions per day. However, it does not give you specifically the information you're going to need to be able to support this use case. But it is quite helpful to understand where there are changes taking place. On the left-hand side, you can see which applications are actually growing or declining in terms of interaction counts. And then we can see the same thing for the apps with the greatest increases in time spent and which are decreasing the most. So we can get a sense of which applications are actually in decline. So that's the basics. Let's dig deeper. Going back into the core application. The biggest source of information related to software license utilization is actually going to be inside the Apps tab. As you will see, we can show unique user counts recorded over a time period, in this case, a week. Or we can go for a longer time period. You will find the monthly reports here will map exactly to the executive summary we showed earlier. So how many unique users did we see for each app last month? In this example, if this account has more Slack licenses purchased than we see using the app, we can potentially reduce their Slack spend. Sorting the applications by unique users and account metrics is one way of looking at it. You can also download a CSV version of this dataset that they can distribute to their managers. This is a little bit more helpful for cases where you don't have your customer's management team all logged into and using the Produce8 account. This will probably be the case early on in your Produce8 deployments, where not everyone is going to know how to navigate the app or use it frequently. Once they distribute that file along with the monthly executive summary, they should ask the app admins to do a quick comparison between what's in the spreadsheet or on the app metrics page in Produce8 and how many licenses they have in each app they own. Depending upon how high the license costs are across each of those applications, the more valuable this whole process will be. You could easily see 5 to 10% reductions in business app costs for your customers the first time you go through this process with them. So, this is a quick win with Produce8 that our MSP partners can use to help their customers save money by recovering software licensing costs.